ngasi pung kharagi mamangda hojik yang kanna Facebook ta social media da viral oidana WhatsApp ta aiha gi samakki ming sizinare hairaga photo na singba sizinare hairaga kanagumba maruoina BJP ga loina ba mayamna tawre hairaga ngasi ai as an advocate oina ngasi gi Supreme Court of Honorable Supreme Court of India da alleged audio tape leak samgi matang da IC petitioner dugi council oi haidana aran prasar mayam ama sandok tana ngasi Facebook ta jijik viral oi bdana tana mayam na akhoi gi rumor do sandok pata natana makhal makhagi akhoi oi da ba conclusion mayam ama pidana defamation tawba intimidation tawba mayam da lebak praja mayam da lan ohonba masi gi matang dani aihak isamak ki Facebook amasung Twitter da pungkhar gi mamang da aihak na madugi matang da phajana haijagre madudi hairiba case asida ai isamak petitioner gi maikai de gisu respondent Union of India respondent gi maikai de gisu party amoina aihak as an advocate oina engage to gi basu laite laga consult to gi basu laite adu kamdauna BJP amasung makhoi gi mi kharana politically motivated oiba mi kharana aihak pu amasung ko gi Congress party bu chingchil laga mi Manipur gi khang hairaba miyam praja mamang da lan ohan base masidi yamna illegal oi unfortunate oi haibet nasdana ngasi ai samakna honorable governor da maramdi Manipur ase hojik president rule lairimna honorable governor da yaki later ma hojik pisan jargani ma ki secretary to the governor da masi WhatsApp ta dhajakre Manipur ki Director General of Police, Manipur ki Chief Secretary, Manipur ki Additional Director General of Police, makoi da so loina bag masi ki letter sing se online da WhatsApp ta makoi moi personal number da thajagre adu hajik Chief Secretary da su thana ba tawri mai personal WhatsApp number da sigumba aran ba paw se da akoi na haja ningli badi advocate haibasi engage tawnu gi damakta appear tawnu gi damakta party aduna wakalat nama da sign da ma darkar tai client adugi Supreme Court ngasi chathakhiba case aduda mayamna khangbibiu maduri Chief Justice Chandrachud na COVID ki matamdagi khoi video conferencing se link tawre Manipur ki High Court Manipur ki court loina ba Supreme Court Gujarat High Court any High Court hajukti BC link khatani anyone aduda sanga ga yengbai media ki mi myam ju lising na lak ta yengi ba je aduda kanagumba kharana ngasi ki case ri work ki case ki matang do 2 pm dagi hawi 10:30 dagi azum mentioning to mayam haugre akoi di as a profession da leibani na hiram gunimukta online loino present tawi any high court Supreme Court district court so maram di video conferencing as a digitally connect tawrabani akoi gi India leiba court khurimakse aduda kanagumba kharana ai aduda tholakpado ure harga hajiki case adugi matang da petitioner gi ukil loire haina sandok base masidi yamna tragedy ni masi mung nokning badi leite aduna akoina thamjiningli basi rumor se karai digi sandorake haiba matam si da BJP amasung makhoi ge saminari ba makhoi ge supporter makhoi ge like minded kangbu singte gi sandorai adu ngasi gi Manipur asidi hojiki turmoil leiraba sahi ani phajalakadra basi gi turmoil sida anything anytime sigumbe rumor se thola ga mi gi yum mai thaba mi bu hat patu pa tawba sina ba khona ba makhal makha ke arum tawbu yai tawsu tawki ba thengna kre aduna haji akoina adudaki ni ai isamak na governor da chief secretary da DGP da masi ai bo ina ngasi ijari basi maramdi masi ki rumor se masi na han basu natte aroi basu oigani haiba thajade adubu sigumba rumor se na tholak padagi ngasi Manipur se ngasi tarmol ki phibam se leiri bane ba aduna Bharat ki संविधान की मखादा नागरिक अमा ओइबदा नतना मियोइबा अमा ओइना फंडामेंटल राइट्स हाइबसे लाइरी राइट टू लाइफ एंड प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज हाइबसे मसी की फंडामेंटल राइट्स से प्रोटेक्ट तौबियु हाइदना सिदा करिगुंबा फतनुंग द थोगदी मणिपुर के गवर्नर चीफ सेक्रेटरी DGP अमसुंग BJP अमसुंग मखो के लोइना समिनरिबा मिसिंग दायित्व लौगदबनी हाइबसिनी अहागना थमजनिंगी बसे अदुगा ngasi di स्टेट की लेवल इरे हयेंगदी भारत की राष्ट्रपति जी प्रधानमंत्री Home Minister Amit Shah ji dasu iragani aduga Chief Justice of India Honorable Supreme Court of India ki Chief Justice of India dasu masugumba rumors ki matang da professionally ai ki maming bu direct to base masi ki matang dasu chithi ma soidani iragani aduga haji ki oina di Manipur ki haji ki president rule lairibni na Manipur asi it's under the president rule through the governor of Manipur Mahaki Secretary to the Governor the Masichi Pishangre, Masida in Hajari request for security of life and properties and protection against maligning name of myself, the undersigned, in an unconnected case of alleged audio tape case in Honorable Supreme Court of India. I got Marisulay Lenda case Amada, Ayak Podu Ukil O Yahaina or the Pada Namsan Base. Masidi, it is malicious, defamatory, and Sigumba rumors in a Sandoga, rumors Sandoga Singsu, please delete this post. Rumors Sandopiganu, whosoever you are, BJP, Amasung BJP ka Mari Lainaba, BJP supporter, Aduga Kangjadana, Hazik Facebook, the social media, share Tolba Singadu, Madu delete Tokpiko, Aduga Sigumba Oidra Padaba, news se Masigumba, rumors se Masida support Tobiganu. Ayan matungina ako legal proceedings lokalagani haujuki oinadi constitutional position da laiba sing adugo authorities sing da akoi isagi oina protection of life and properties adu karigumba masida atopa akaya to thoktan da makta masi akoi security protection ki da makta akoi ni iraga haijabani adu sigumbe rumor se masi Aikoi the Bukta, advocate Ama Oina, Congress ki All India Congress Committee ki position Ama the Ladies Bukta, Asumai na Kashunait na Punkarada, Mingase, direct Tauraga, photo, Sijinaraga, Aishagi, Maming direct Tauraga, Facebook the post or river sing, Maming Matalo in a Laire, screenshot Loina Lahore, Isha na Kangaga, Hajik, Pung Tarani Togi Madung de Shana Dilito view, Karumata Udaba Toga di Ishagi, Facebook ki link, WhatsApp ki link. WhatsApp group ta admin waribe singna madugi daite lobiu WhatsApp group ta mayama sandokpa khoi thengnare Supreme Court ki judgment mayama su lai khrabani WhatsApp group ki admin aduga social media ki Facebook group ki admin isa na daite lobiu isa na madu delete thokpi ko isa na personal Facebook account social media ki account ki thagala gasu madugi daite lore haraga delete tobi ko maduguma arana pawadu aduga iriba khudimak na apology tobiu aranba pawni haibadu haibiramu Karigumba Hiram the Toklagadi within 12 hours. After 12 hours, akoi legal proceeding lokalagani, Aduga Loina Hasanasi, President Rulki Mahada Lady Naisida, Sigumba, rumor, Sandopada, authority now Zipok to mean the labase, Sumoto case, Samata, Lakota Base, Masi towing it to Labra Highness in Nevasulai, Masi Yam the live of Tibani. Friends, I hang Nangasi Facebook, the Twitter, the Tamzaki statement, Mayam Pathokshake Maduri. There is a rumor going around that I have appeared as an advocate for petitioner in the alleged leaked audio tape case in Supreme Court. I have to inform you all that I am not a counsel or advocate of the petitioner or any party or the respondent in the said alleged leaked audio tape case. It's extremely unfortunate to see the spread of rumor and false news dragging my name in a case which is not related with me. Neither the petitioner nor the respondent in the alleged audio tape in the Supreme Court has engaged me as their advocate. I have neither signed in their wakalatnama nor met any of the petitioner or the respondent in the case. Please do not spread rumor. Sigi statements on Facebook and Twitter da pungkhar mang da thamjakram. Despite that, BJP amasung mahaki party na sandorai. I want clarification from BJP Manipur Pradesh, BJP Manipur Pradesh President. What is your intent? Congress ki mingshina raga ya ki mingshina raga sikumba aranba prasad tawraga leba irang mai honaba amuka siliba BJP ki kari propaganda no ba BJP ki mayama social media da Facebook ta makoi hapakpa makoi ki mi mayam tek tawpa mayam na loin khange khoi loin screenshot lawraga lehore madu tawbidna ba BJP ki Manipur Pradesh ki president da haijari karigumba pung train thoki manung lokthorpa ta dragadi legal proceedings will be taken place. Aduga loina na masidani ahak na hajari base masigi letter sida. In this background of serious concern of spreading rumor like wildfire in a few minutes on social media, I request your cooperation and support in stopping the rumor and false news, and further request you to kindly provide me security protection for my life and properties as enshrined in the fundamental rights and the Constitution of India. Haidana Governor da, Chief Secretary da, DGP, additional DGP da masimak I ijakre makoi ki concerned Secretary Singh, aduga personal level, what's the person, what's the number. Now I will hand over this officially in their respective offices. Ado, I will briefly say so in English. Mayam da hag na hajin ingi misi Manipur ki prajada sigumba rumors ila thaja biganu. Aduga sigumba rumors handoi ba sing disu support to biganu. Aduga karigumba khang dana tawbira magadi madu delete tawbi ko aduga kariguma thawing sum masigi press conference se leina sigi matung du bukta tawragadi makhogi mathakta legal election solution lokokani aduga hayengdi masigi matangda bharat ki rashtrapati ji bharat ki pradhan mantri narendra modi ji bharat ki grah mantri amit shah ji da aha isamang ne letter iragani aduga supreme court of india ki chief honorable chief justice of india da so masamak da so ai isamang ne letter iragani. Friends, it is very surprising that my name has been dragged in a case which is not related with me. There is an ongoing case related with an alleged audio tape case in the Honorable Supreme Court today. And there is a social media rumor going around, false news, saying that I was the advocate, the counsel of the petitioner in that alleged audio leak case in the Supreme Court today. Friends, I have already stated my statement both on Facebook and Twitter. It has appeared that some persons from BJP and BJP have spread this rumor, maligning my name, dragging my name along with the Congress party, saying that we are connected with that case. That case is nothing to do with me professionally. Neither the petitioner nor the respondent nor any party has come to engage me. I am not even their counsel, I am not even their advocate. I am not signing their wakalatnama. But in a few hours, within 2 hours, it has spread like wildfire. Who is benefiting this? Who is benefiting by maligning, by spreading false rumors against me as an advocate, against the Congress party? It is only the BJP and his cohorts. So I am urging the people of Manipur and those who are on social media, kindly delete your posts, these rumor posts, which is not connected with me. You must know, friends, today, in today's world of digital era, Supreme Court hearing, High Court hearing, District Court hearing, any court hearing, they can be watched online by anyone through video conferencing. Now, if your name comes and appears for it, will you say that you have become an advocate for that party? That is most bizarre. That's the most bizarre that I have seen and I have heard. And this is not a mere coincidence. This, I believe, has been done with a deliberate plan to attack me. I have written a letter to the Honorable Governor because Manipur is under the President's rules. I have written the same letter to the Chief Secretary of Manipur, to the Director General of Police and Additional Director General of Police Manipur to ensure my life and protection as enshrined in as fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. I have already given my statement already on social media. But despite that, these people, some people, anti-social elements, people linking with the BJP they have furthered the spreading of the rumor. So it is my humble request and indeed my humble appeal to all of you, kindly delete this post which is false, fabricated, which is nothing to do with me professionally or otherwise. Neither the petitioner nor the respondent has come to me, has engaged me as an advocate. And now, within 2-3 hours, they have spread the news that I have appeared for them, I have argued for them, I have become the petitioner's counsels. Friends, if anything happens to me, the Governor of Manipur, the Chief Secretary, DGP and the BJP and his cohorts must be held responsible. Tomorrow, I'll be writing the letter to the Honorable President of India, to the Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Home Minister, Sri Amit Shah ji, in this regard, so that I should be protected. I and my properties need to be protected. At the same time, I will be writing a letter to the Honorable Chief Justice of India of Honorable Supreme Court. Friends, we have to be extremely cautious about such rumor. This is not the first and I hope this is the last rumor ever here in the state of Manipur. In our state, which is being turmoil for the last 2 years, such rumors have destroyed Manipur. We, the people of Manipur, must stand unitedly against such false news. I humbly appeal to those who have shared on social media, kindly delete those rumors, those false news. Otherwise, after 12 hours, we will go for legal proceedings against them. I also request the admins of the WhatsApp groups, admins of Facebook pages to ensure that to bind by the legalities. And the law says that any false news, rumor need not to be posted, need to be deleted. And this is again my humble reminder to all of you. Kindly, if you are an admin of a WhatsApp group, because I have been seeing WhatsApp group is still going on viral on WhatsApp group and on Facebook pages, please, dear admins, please do your responsibility by deleting this rumor, this false news. And also, if you are still further posting as an individual social handle accounts, we will be taking the screenshot and taking your Facebook link, Google link, Twitter link, and we'll be giving the same thing as per the law after 12 hours tomorrow. And this is the need of the hour. And friends, I am indeed happy that at this odd hour you have all come. Thank you.